Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript data types. In programming, a data type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. It defines the type of values that can be stored in a variable, how the variable is stored in memory, and what operations can be done on the variable. In TypeScript, like in many programming languages, there are several basic data types. First one is number. I will show you how to do. Let count number equal to 10. See, like this we can give a type as number, data type as number, and we are getting 10. Next we are going to see about strings. See, we are getting hello world. Next one is boolean. Let is. Next we are going to see about arrays. In the arrays, first one is array of numbers. Number of array. See, these are the array of numbers. Next one, array of strings. Let like this the color. Well, arrays of string. Next, arrays using generic type. Let names equal to array of string. Let names array of string. So we are getting John, Alice, and Bob as an array. Next, we are going to see about tuples in TypeScript. The tuple representing an array ID of type number and name of type string. Let user number string and then console log user. So we are getting one comma John, and the next data type is any. For that, let not sure any equal to 10. See, we are getting true because which is lost, so that we are getting true. Next, we are going to see about void in TypeScript. Function log void we want to call the function log message. See, we are getting this is a log message. Next, we are going to see about null and undefined. So, we are getting null and undefined. Next is objects. Now if I run this, see we are getting name as John and age as 30. And the next one is enums. See we are getting two enum will give the index of the element. In this tutorial, we have covered various data types in JavaScript, in TypeScript, including basic types like number, string, boolean, array, tuple, any, void, null, undefined, object, and enums. Understanding these data types is essential for writing type safe and efficient TypeScript code. Thank you.